Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change password on AOL Mail. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up AOL Mail app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now tap on Profile. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find Manage Account Privacy. Simply tap on it. Now again tap on Your Privacy Controls. Now it will navigate you to this browser. So here you need to enter your username and then tap on Next. You can also enter your email address or mobile number. Now here enter your password and then tap on Next button. Now it will sign in your account. Now here go to profile icon on top right corner. Now tap on account settings. Here you can see many options. Go to security option as shown here. Now scroll down until you find change password. So here it is, tap on it. And now here set your new password. Once you're done, tap on continue button. You can tap on maybe later. Now you have successfully set your new password. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.